family, and God bless all.
It's a very good trip, and I think it'll be a very successful for the area. Well, I've enjoyed it, and I know the people on the boat enjoyed it, and I would hope other people will come along to enjoy a ride in the boat and going up and down the canal.